Russia has really prioritized the Arctic as a region is going to be important for its future, both economically and militarily. The Russia Arctic is a vast territory. Warangal Island is really the recomposition of a naval base, which is very close to Alaska, US, about 300 nautical miles. What they began as an airstrip, then they began to put radar positioning on that island. We would try to understand in a sophistication of the spoke-up radar which they have placed. Does that have penetration inside? Where that radar is directed and what it will watch in the future. When we got to Conley Island, we are exactly able to see what kind of systems they were putting into the place, but then we got to analyze what was that to do, what was that sophisticated radar that the long runway and is just for a smaller aircraft, or could that be a base for some of Russia's most sophisticated aircraft? The country that controls the Arctic controls the world. And that's the question, is the world is paying enough attention to the military development in the Arctic region that could impair the US military activities such as military defense, or whether if there could be some sort of conflict or confrontation with the US had an access with the necessary capacities to win that conflict.